In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make new Google Docs, step by step. Whether you're writing a quick note or starting a full report, creating a brand new document in Google Docs is fast and straightforward. I'll show you the simplest way and then an alternate method in case you're organizing files in Google Drive. First, open your web browser and go to Google Docs. The quickest way is to type docs.google.com into the address bar, or you can search for Google Docs and click the official link. When the page loads, you'll see the Google Docs home screen with a row of templates at the top and recent files below. If you aren't signed in yet, you'll be prompted to log in to your Google account. Go ahead and enter your credentials and make sure you're using the account where you want this document to live. If you have multiple accounts, look for your profile photo or initial in the top right corner to confirm you're in the right one. Now, let's create the new document. On the Docs homepage, click the large blank option with the plus sign. This is the clean slate that gives you a completely empty document. If you ever need a head start with formatting, you can explore the templates nearby, but for now, blank is perfect. Your new document opens automatically in a new tab, and you can begin typing right away. You'll notice the cursor flashing at the top left of the page. A quick tip here. Google Docs saves your work automatically as you type, so you don't need to press save. If you want to name your document, click where it says Untitled Document at the top left and give it a clear title. That makes it easier to find later. As you write, use the toolbar for basic formatting like bold, italics, headings, and alignment. If you make a mistake, use undo or press Ctrl Z, and to speed things up, you can use familiar shortcuts like Ctrl B for bold. If you prefer to organize files inside folders first, there's an alternative method. Go to Google Drive at drive.google.com, open the folder where you want the document to live, then click the New button in the top left. Hover over Google Docs and choose Blank Document. This creates your document directly inside that folder, which is helpful for keeping projects tidy from the start. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.